Hey guys, so we're back in my son's Mazda 3, and if you click that link up there, you'll see I installed a dash cam in my son's Corolla with this same brand, this FitcamX, and that was made for the Corolla and it fit perfectly. But today, my son's Mazda 3 doesn't have any housing around his rear view mirrors, so we're going to use a universal camera from the same company that's hopefully going to look pretty much OEM, just like the Corolla did. So we'll give it a shot. All right, so let's unbox this guy and see what it comes with. All right, it's got a very Apple iPhone looking like packaging. Here's the camera. All right, so that's the housing, and it's gonna fit underneath your window like this. And there's the front of the camera. So I think it's gonna look pretty good, just sliding in between your mirror. Let's see what else we have here. Some wires, a USB reader, and a pry tool. Actually, this is quite handy. If you don't have one of these, you should get one, or if you buy this kit, they give you one. But this is the key right here, and this is the OBD2 port, and that's where it's going to get its power. And we're not going to do any kind of splicing or crimping or anything like that. We're just going to plug this into the OBD2 port and get its power from there. So it should be a really quick, easy install. So I'm going to use an alcohol pad just to clean the surface so that it sticks nice. You can use any kind of window cleaner. Okay, let me size this up. So I think if we put it right through like this, it'll look good, and the wire will just come straight back like that. So I think that's what we'll do. All right, just make sure you're straight. Push it in. That should be good to go. I think it looks pretty good. Can't really see it. So let's, next up, you want to connect it, of course. So we'll connect these pretty easy. Okay. Now we can start our routing. Just tuck it under. So it doesn't really matter which car you have, it all works the same. All right, so if you need to, use that pry tool to give yourself a little bit of space to lift and tuck. There you go, tuck it in. All right, so take out the rubber trim and just slide it underneath. All right, so I'm gonna go to around right there, and then I'm gonna tuck it underneath right here. So where's the OBD2 port? Locate that. So for this Mazda 3, this is the OBD2 port right there. And what you're gonna do, it is directional, so you gotta make sure you have the right direction. Plug it in, and that's it. That's all the wiring that you need to do. Of course, I'll need to tuck this away, but let's tuck it away and then install the app and give it a shot. All right, the box comes with some ties you can use just to clean up your wires. All right, clean that up, and what you want to tuck it underneath somewhere that's secure, that will not come out. I'm just gonna tuck it underneath there. Gets in there nice and clean. There, no one can see it. See, even though it's universal, it fits and it's a clean install. So let's give it a shot. Okay, so we installed the app, so let's give it a shot. All right, it connected, and there's a picture of our garage, which is right directly in front of us. All right, so that's the install. Pretty easy, real fast, nice and clean. You don't see any wires at all, except this part right here. That's the only wire you see, which is not bad. And there's the camera. Looks pretty OEM, which is fantastic.